to do that thing, there's a spirit inside you that is stopping it. The man said knows it, the person knows it, that he's not a smile not to help you, not to do that favor, but there's a spirit in you that is stopping your favor. Lift up your 2 hands unto the Lord. You that is here, and there's a spirit tormenting your life and stopping good things not to come to you. As I stand in this altar, I pour fire upon that spirit. Anything stopping your favor, I pour fire upon those spirits. I pour thunder upon the fire. I pour fire upon that fire, upon that spirit. Let the fire upon them. In the name of Jesus. Lift up your name, your 2 hands, sorry. Lift up your 2 hands. Stay like this. Lift up your 2 hands. Anywhere they have tied your name, they tie your name in spiritual place, and say anytime they call your name, nothing good should come up. Stand outside that side. This is what I want to pray today. I'm assuring somebody this week you have a testimony. You will know that something was involved before. You will know it. Anywhere they tie your name and they say what you are looking for, you will not have it. What you are crying for, what you are praying for, what you are struggling for, you will not have it. Anywhere they tie your name, please, I beg you, pray very well, because I'm